What is the cloud computing? You must have read through the points already. Cloud computing is a way to deliver the servers, the storage, the computing power to the users over the internet. So this is all happening over the internet. The cloud providers and the cloud are the one who manage it, and the end users are companies and individual users as well. Is there a problem with the with the camera having duplicate views? Okay, fine. So in simple terms, cloud refers to the computing resources delivered over the internet. Okay, instead of being hosted on your local computer and data center. So all of these components which you see here in a traditional data center, you'll be having your own location in the office, a specific room where dedicated place where you'll be hosting the servers, storage, databases, network, and the software. So everything run in a confined space, which is basically a traditional data center concept. So now all of this is maintained is offered as a service through cloud computing concept. So when you use Azure, Microsoft Azure, AWS or Google Cloud, you're basically renting the compute power, storage, and the software from the cloud providers, right? So when you're using the Gmail, well, Gmail is a free of cost service, but still it is a kind of cloud service which you're using, right? So any sort of internet available service which you're using is going to fit somewhere in the cloud service model, which we'll be discussing in the later sessions. So you're and here those are the free services which we are using as a consumer. Now for companies to use those services, they'll be using paid services for specific compute requirement what they have. So instead of companies spending thousands of dollars in building the data centers, servers, storage, and the whole IT workloads, they are going for an option of cloud, wherein they pay as go. So they whatever they use, they pay for that. So that's a fundamental cloud computing concept, right? So moving on. So it's really it's a let's know about the fact of the term cloud. How did this come in reality? There was nothing called cloud before year 2000, or there was no concept of cloud at all. 1990s. Those who are there in the IT industry, they know that the term itself didn't exist then. The term cloud actually originated from the network diagrams. If we have any network engineers here, they know when they draw the network diagram, they represent an external network or the internet as a cloud. That's the traditional way of drawing the network diagrams. I'll just share the screen with you how it used to be done before, so that you have a idea. I guess who are here from who are in the industry from long time here, they understand what I'm saying. They always represent cloud, as something remote, which is not under our control. So if you have a data center, you will draw a diagram similar to this. I'll show you here. This is one of the example of the network diagrams which we used to do before, and it's still in use, still used as a reference. The internet seems to be too slow on my side, actually. It's taking time to just load a simple. image as well. Right, this is a typical network diagram which we used to do before. Right, what you see here is a network diagram. Okay, we have two locations of this organization, two office locations, wherein they have one server room, which you can call it as a data center. All the servers are hosted there, and they are connecting to the internet, and which is represented as a cloud. So this is where the idea, the term cloud came from. This is the fun fact about the cloud, the term cloud. And the company who started this cloud computing concept is the AWS. So they started they are the pioneers in this domain. They started providing the services, cloud services, to end users, offering them pay as you go plans, and it became famous, and all the other companies started giving those services.